Good day, M4759. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Aisel Handayan. I'm 41 years old. I am a single mother of 3 children. I have one boy and 2 girls. The ages is 20, 19, and 9 years old. I am undergraduate in college and in University of Mindanao. I took computer technology.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in Singapore as a helper. What are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duty and responsibility is to taking care of a baby and car washing, marketing, washing the clothes.
And you have also experience here in the Philippines. What are your main duty and responsibility as a helper here in the Philippines?
I do cooking, car washing, marketing, and washing the clothes, ironing.
Okay. I saw that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, what you are already said. How old are the baby you take care?
It's already 2 years old.
2 years old, so not really a baby, right?
Yes.
But it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby.
Yes.
Okay, how will you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hands, and after that, I wash the bottle. After that, sterilize the bottle. Then,
After you sterilize the bottle, what
I
would you
put
do?
the water in the bottle, and after that, while it still warm, I will put the powder milk and shake it, and after that, and I will give the baby.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check first if they are hungry, and the diaper if the diaper is full, and I will check also if they have a fever.
Okay. If why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sorry, sir.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money, and I will so that I want to support my children for their education, and I want a better life.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will to finish my contract, and I will stay as long as my employer want me.
Okay. It is. Do you know how to prepare a Chinese food?
Yes, I know how to cook steamed fish,
Okay.
like steamed fish, soft also.
Okay. If the employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they prepared for you.
Yes,
It is okay to you to share a room with kids.
yes,
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes, sir.
It is okay to you to work on a Sunday or in a holiday setup by your
Yes,
employer.
sir.
Okay, if one of the member of the family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. Message for your future employer.
To my future employer, please choose me. And if you hired me, I will promise you that I will a good helper in your family, and I will treat your family as my own family also. And most of all, I will treat your family good, and I will obey your instruction, and I respect your culture and tradition.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Aisel O. Jadayan, M4759.
Thank you.